You're a southpaw, and you've been told you have an advantage. So why does it feel like you're constantly off balance, out of range, and fighting an uphitter? You're getting shut down. In this video, I'm giving you the 3-step geometric blueprint that will allow you to systematically dismantle and dominate any Orthodox fighter. This is the entire game, the #1 rule. You must get your lead foot outside their lead foot. The battle isn't punch for punch, it's foot for foot. From this outside angle, your power hand has a direct line to their center, and their power hand is now offline, blocked by your body. They have to turn to face you, giving you a critical half-second advantage. The drill? The circle of dominance. Constantly circle towards your opponent's lead hand. Use your jab and footwork to force them to react. Every time they reset, you reset to that dominant outside angle. Burn this position into your muscle memory until it feels like home. But winning the foot battle is useless if you don't exploit the opening you've created. That brings us to your primary weapon. From your dominant angle, your rear straight left is no longer just a punch. Stop thinking of it as your rear hand. Start thinking of it as your power line. It is the most direct, efficient path to victory on the entire board. Everything you do should be to set this weapon up. Your two main targets on this line are the chin and the open side liver. The 1-2, jab straight left ahead, and the 1 body, jab to head, straight left to liver, are now your bread and butter. Master them. If you're ready to turn your stance into a strategic weapon, hit that subscribe button. We build ring assassins, not just athletes. You have the angle, you have the weapon. Now you must control the fight by dismantling their primary tool. The Orthodox fighter's jab is their everything. It's their rangefinder, their setup, their defense. You must become obsessed with destroying it. Your lead, right hand, is your shield and your saboteur. You are not just blocking their jab, you are taking away their eyes. By dominating the hand battle, you plunge them into darkness. And in that darkness, your power line is free to land. Practice 3 key habits. Parry down. Use your lead hand to slap their jab down, creating an opening for your straight left over the top. Pin. As they jab, catch it and pin their glove, momentarily trapping them. Frame. Use your lead hand on their shoulder to control the distance and create space. If you control their lead hand, you control them. That is the blueprint. 1. Win the battle of the lead feet. 2. Own the power line. 3. Dismantle their jab. It is a complete system for southpaw dominance. It is geometry. It is strategy. It is inevitable. Which of these 3 steps are you weakest at? The feet, the power line, or the hand fighting? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to master this system, hit subscribe now. And to see a full breakdown of all the advantages you have, watch my video on the 5 southpaw advantages you're wasting right here on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.